Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever hosted a wedding, a party, or maybe a big business dinner, you know how helpful it is to have beautiful place cards that help guests find their seats. But creating a whole bunch of them by hand can be super time-consuming. So today, I'm going to show you exactly how to bulk create stunning place cards using Canva. By the end of this video, you'll have the tools and confidence to quickly make as many place cards as you need, all looking professional and personalized. Alright, let's dive right in and get started. First, open up Canva, a free and easy-to-use design tool you can find online. If you don't already have an account, it just takes a minute to sign up, and trust me, you'll use Canva for lots of things once you get the hang of it. Next up in the top corner, you'll see a button that says Create a Design. Go ahead and click that. This tells Canva you're ready to get started with a new project. Now in the search bar, type Place Card. You'll notice Canva has all sorts of templates built especially for this purpose. Typing in place card is key because Canva's smart search will bring up a bunch of templates already sized perfectly with layouts designed specifically for events, so you're not starting from a blank page. Scroll through the options and select a template that suits your vibe or the theme of your event. Maybe you want something elegant for a wedding or something playful for a birthday dinner. Choose whatever jumps out to you. And remember, even if you pick a template, you can totally change up the colors, fonts, and images later on. Once you've selected a template, click on it to open up your new design. Now comes the fun part, editing. Double-click on the placeholder name or text box and type the name you want for the first place card. You can adjust the font style, make the name bigger or smaller, or play around with colors if you want. Really make it your own so it stands out and feels special for your guests. Alright, now that you've created your first card, let's move on to making more. Down below your design, you'll see an Add Page button. Click that to create a brand new blank page right in your project. Think of each page like a new card, one name per page. This setup really makes it a breeze if you have a long list. On your new page, you can again select a template, either reuse the same one for consistency, or if you want to add a bit of variety, pick a different template for each page. You could alternate designs or maybe choose a style that matches each guest if you're feeling creative. Now repeat the process. For each guest, for each card, add a page, select a template, and edit with the guest's name or any special details. This might feel a bit repetitive, but Canva keeps it super streamlined and you'll get into a really nice rhythm. Taking a few minutes now to do this saves you so much hassle compared to making each card totally from scratch. And that's really all there is to it. In just a few steps, you can easily create bulk place cards, all customized and ready to go. Once you're done, you can download your cards to print at home or send them to a print shop for that extra professional touch. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, drop a comment below if you have any questions or need extra tips, and subscribe for more easy design tutorials. See you next time.